Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you will be known and how to create an algorithms. Yes, every software industry or every software engineer to understand how the algorithm will function and what is an algorithm. These things should be clear and concise, where he needs to apply an algorithms to the same functionality repetitively will help to extend an application or project in enterprise level. So let's see. First, I would like to, with the help of ChatGPT, I'm trying to getting such an information. First, my question is, what is an algorithm? AL. So let's see. Yes, such as something went wrong for this persistent of contact through the help center. It is asking, no, try regenerate the response. Let's wait. ChatGPT is understanding what it is. Yeah, if it's still persisting the same, it is repeating. What you need to do, take a query of copy, reload ChatGPT. So sometimes if the ChatGPT is receiving huge a potential of queries, yes, such time you will get an message. So it's a verifying it's a human or like a chatbot. Just you check the confirmation. Yes, now you just submit your query. What is an algorithm? See, simple terms ChatGPT is suggesting for us. An algorithm is a set of instructions, step by step proceeding to solve a problem or a specific task. So systematic approach solving a problem or completing a task can be expressed in a finite number of steps. What the steps, how to approach, how to take a step by step, what step will be resolve the what task, it will be clearly specified in algorithm. So specifically in algorithms used in various fields such as computer science, mathematics, engineering terms and many more. In computer science, algorithm is a sequence of steps, rules, performing computer solving a problem. Computer algorithms can be implemented using programming languages to perform variety of tasks such as sorting data, searching implementation, solving complex problems. Effectiveness of an algorithm can be measured by efficiency, which is an amount of resources required to solve problems such as time and memory. Design and analysis of algorithm is a very a key area of computer science, as it's essential creating efficient and effective software programs. So just basically we'll see a simple a sorting algorithm in Python, how to implement and how to write. If you know the basic things, just I'm asking ChatGPT to write a sorting algorithm. What is the algorithm with the sorting for anywhere you may go. Yeah, write a sorting algorithm in the language. Which language I need to prepare this sorting algorithm also I am suggesting to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is implementing a DEF. It's a keyword which is implementing like a simple creation of function. So function name and ARR, it's nothing but it's a parameter. Any keyword of name you can specify over there, and it's a bubble sort method it is created. How super easy. And here you can this function by passing the unsorted array to this particular this is also nothing but test case, which you can test it this algorithm in your playground or in your local Python code development environment. If you are already having, take a copy of this code and call this method or function by using this test case. So by reading this information also you can, what is an algorithm, how it is implemented, what the things are applied to getting a sorted with the bubble sort, you will be learn very clearly a step-by-step approach. And also I ask a ChatGPT to write a binary search algorithm. In Python or Java, which programming language you are interested, you just try to ask ChatGPT to get such an information. So here is an implementation of binary search algorithm. See the code ChatGPT itself it is creating. So how wonder it is. So learn the things from the basics from any of the resources and try to apply and learn many logical things with ease by hitting your query. I hope this is the binary search algorithm it is implemented, and it's a test cases how to access and how to call this method in your local development area. Olog n, which means the efficient algorithm searching large data sets. Yes, any huge data you can give to this particular algorithm to pumping or passing. Yes, definitely you will find such algorithm to implementing, and you will get a proper requested result with ease. Such a added advantage by learning and applying your skills in your resume, definitely you will get, and you will be master in the programming language as well as you will be inside of your job area. I hope it will help you a better way to improving your skills. Thank you.